we have some rain out there to start the day today. It's going to be a wet morning commute. You might want to give yourself a couple extra minutes if you can. Now, we kind of lucked out here in Baltimore. Overnight, there was some really heavy rain just south of us. D.C. and Annapolis areas picked up anywhere from 4 to 5 inches of rain. Around Baltimore, a flood watch is in effect, but the heavier showers are just now starting to move into some of our neighborhoods. You can see some light to moderate rain in the northern and western suburbs. And let's zoom in and take a look at the city now. We can see some moderate rain on the west side of the Beltway down towards the southern end of Baltimore into the Inner Harbor and down 95 and 97. The further south you go from Baltimore, if you commute down towards D.C. or Annapolis, the worse it's going to be. There are flood watches and warnings in effect all across that area. As a matter of fact, there have even been some water rescues down around Annapolis, just south of town. And that heavy rain that was in Annapolis a few minutes ago is now crossing over the bay onto the eastern shore. So if you're watching us around Centerville and Easton, anywhere along Route 50, that heavy rain is going to be in your neighborhood for the next half hour, 45 minutes. It's coming down an inch, maybe 2 inches per hour. So there's going to be some flash flooding across the eastern shore counties over the next half hour, as I mentioned. So here are all the flash flood warnings represented by the orange shading here. You can see the stripe of the heaviest rain that we've had so far from the D.C. area down into Virginia. Around Baltimore, just a flood watch in effect. We don't have any flood warnings just yet, but that could change at any point during the morning. So here's the weather setup. The front that came through yesterday is actually stalled right up and down the I-95 corridor, and we have these waves of low pressure developing along the front. That's what's triggering the rain. Now, the good news is we got rid of the heat. The temperatures are going to be below average. Right now, we're in the upper 60s to around 70. We're only going to make it to maybe 79 or 80 this afternoon. For July, that's pretty cool. So rain is likely to start the day. Thunderstorms possible, maybe even some pockets of heavy rain. It should taper off a little bit as we go into the afternoon. It'll get better, I think, for the evening commute. Over the weekend, we'll drop the chance for rain down to 30% on Saturday. Scattered showers with a high near 85. Sunday, 88. Back up close to 90 by early next week.